ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। तस्मिन्नपो मातरिश्वा दधाति। तस्मिन्, the meaning was given. स्वामी जी, आत्मतत्वे सति, आत्मतत्व when it is there, which is of नित्य चैतन्य स्वभाव, मातरिश्वा, मातरी अंतरिक्षे श्वयति गच्छति इति मातरिश्वा वायु। दिस वी सॉ, राइट। तस्मिन् अपः मातरिश्वा दधाति। सो दिस हिरण्यगर्भ, मातरिश्वा मीन्स वायु, वायु मीन्स प्राण, प्राण मीन्स हिरण्यगर्भ. What does it do? अपः दधाति. Now what is अपः? कर्माणि प्राणिनां चेष्टा लक्षणानि. अग्नि आदित्य पर्जन्य आदीनां ज्वलन दहन प्रकाशाभिवर्षादि लक्षणानि. दिस वी आर ऑन पेज नंबर 2021 in भाष्य. So Agni Aditya, what do they have? Jwalana Dahana Prakasha. Agni has Jwalana Dahana, Aditya has Prakasha, Parjanya has what? Abhivarsha. Abhi upasarg purvak varsha. Means to shower the rain everywhere. This is the role of Parjanya. So they are devatas, Agni devata, Aditya devata, Parjanya devata, and they have some lakshana, means they have some role, some dharma embedded in them. Who makes this dharma possible? It is said Hiranyagarbha. So by apaha dadhati, apaha means प्राणिनाम कर्माणि चेष्टा लक्षणानि. What is their chesta? Means what is their activity? What is their lakshana? Why Agni is Jwalana Rupa, Dahana Rupa? Why Aditya is Prakasha Rupa? Parjanya is Varsha Rupa, Abhivarsha Rupa? Who defines it? Hiranyagarbha. This is one way of explaining. Okay. In other words, even devatas have to follow instructions of Hiranyagarbha. Mukhya point here is not that who got what dharma. Otherwise somebody will say, why Agni has Jwalana Padartha? Why I have to be cold? Varuna Devata will say, I also want to be hot. So it is not for that. Main thing what we have to understand is, Hiranyagarbha is Sarva Devata Maya. It is above all devatas. In Kathopanishad we saw Hiranyagarbha's other name was given as Aditi. Aditir Devatamayi. All devata put together is Hiranyagarbha. Sarva Devatmako Devaha. In this way. This is one lakshana. Dadhati vibhajati. In this way he does vibhaga. Dadhati means to give. Dudhai dhatu, to give. But in the meaning what is given, vibhaga he does. That you have to do this role. You have to do that role. Everybody, any big function, big organization, everybody has a role. and chupchap with seva bhava, you have to do that role. Main thing is this, not go on complaining, fighting. Whatever role is given to me, I have to fulfill it. This is one meaning. Or dharayati iti va. Second meaning is dharana artha. Somebody will say, dadhati, how did you say vibhajati? So see, number 1 tippani and number 2 tippani. Dhatunam aneka arthatva prasiddehe. This is a famous vakya in our Vyakarana Shastra. You say, how this shabda, you came out with this meaning? You say, dhatunam aneka arthatva prasiddha. One dhatu can have so many meanings. So what is upayogi artha? Prakrita upayoginam artham aha. Everybody found that tippani? No. This is on page number 21, 1 number tippani in my book. Found. So, what is the upayogi artha in the current context? Not dadhati but vibhajati. Second number tippani you see, dharayati. Swayameva agnyadi rupaha san. Hiranyagarbha itself being Agni, it becomes Agni and has Dahana, Jvalana, Dharma. It itself becomes Aditya. Means one alone is taking different roles, different names and does everything in this creation. Like, to give sthula drashtanta, so let's say BJP government is there, right now. So government itself taking one form. Modi ji, it acts as Pradhan Mantri. Amit Shah. So he takes another, same government takes different names, different forms and does functions in this way. Bhishasmad vatah pavate ityadi shrutibhyah. And in Taittiriya Upanishad it is given Bhishasmad vatah pavate. Then correct. Bhishasmad vatah pavate bhishodeti suryah. Bhishasmad agnischendrasya mrutyurdhavati panchama iti. And in Kathopanishad also similar mantra.
Agnistamati bhayadasya agnistabati bhayadindrascha agnischa
Bhayat tapati surya bhayadindrascha agnischa mrutyurdhavati panchama. That is same. Good. So Katha, Taittiriya, they all have given this. Bhisha means out of fear. So fear they will have only if there is somebody who is superior. You never have fear of inferior people. Out of love you treat them good, that is different. But otherwise fear is always of superior people. Ityadi Shrutibhyah. Now let us see Tika. Tika, we have to read this last sentence on 19. Shrautani karmani soma ajya payah prabhrutibihi advihi sampadyante iti. Shrauta karma means Shruti Vihita karma. How they are performed? They are accomplished by soma, ajya, payah, using all this material. This is only few names they have given. Soma, soma rasa. Soma lata is there, creeper. From that they extract that rasa. Ajya means ghee, payah, milk, and all other dravyas, vrihi, yava ityadi they need. Pravritibhihi, adbhihi, adbhi, adbhi means
Water.
water. So main what they want to show here is in yajna main thing is water, because tasmin apo matareshva dadati. Why Hiranyagarbha uses jalam means Upanishad uses the word apaha jalam for this karma phalam. That is the explanation given by Anandagiri ji. अद्भिः संपाद्यन्ते इति संबंधात् लाक्षणिको अपशब्दः. दिस अपशब्द इज यूज्ड फॉर लक्षण. कर्मसु प्राणचेष्टायाश्च अब निमित्तत्व प्रसिद्धे. इन कर्म एंड इन प्राणचेष्टा. कर्मसु in all karmas and in prana cheshta, up nimittatva means karma is because of jalam. All shrauta karma smarta, water is the main thing. That's why near Gangaji and all these priest class and all, they started staying first because they need water all the time. Puja karo pavitram jalam. So when you do kalash puja, you know, so in that kalasha you have to do avahanam of sapta nadi tirtha. Ganga Chamane Chaiva Godavari. Ganga ji you need. So if it is not there, you just chant the mantra. But if you get Ganga Jalam, there is nothing like it. So that's why Ganga Jalam is required in all pujas. And Prana Cheshta Nimitta is also Jalam. See Tippani number 5 and 6. Nanu evam apaha कर्माणि श्रौतानि इति एव व्याख्येयम्. Then you should say कर्माणि श्रौतानि इति एव. अपः कर्माणि श्रौतानि. But प्राणिनां चेष्टा लक्षणानि, how do you say that? That is because of water, apaha. Yajna karma, yes, we understand, it is jala. How prani's cheshta karma, activity, etc. is based on jalam. So it is said in Chandogya, Shvetaketu was asked, don't drink water for, don't eat food for 15 days, but just drink water. Because if he doesn't drink water, then, see, apomaya pranaha, 6th tippani. Na pibato vichhetsyate. If you don't drink water, prana vichhetsyate. Your life will be cut. So life source is jalam, apaha. Life continues because of water. The number is something wrong. It says 6791. There are no 91 mantras. It could be only either 1 or 4, depending upon. Or, yeah. So anyway, you note that later you can see it is not bodhyam. Further in Tika, कारणवाचक शब्दः कार्ये लक्षणया प्रयुक्तः इत्यर्थः. So कारणवाचक शब्द is used in कार्य. What is the कारणवाचक and what is कार्य शब्द? कार्य here.
Karya is prana, karana is
What is karana?
karana is water and karya is
Correct. Karana is jalam and karya is pranacheshta. Prana chesta is karyam. So because of water, the prana chestas are possible. One number, okay. If mantra number 1 in 7th section.
671.
Okay. Ityarthaha. So lakshana is used for prana chesta, up shabda is used. Ishwarasyapi hiranyagarbhasya नियत प्रवृत्ति अन्यथा अनुपपत्त्या अधिष्ठाता परमेश्वरः संभाव्यते इति उक्तम इदानीं मातरिश्व ग्रहणम उपलक्षणार्थम आदाय तात्पर्यम आह. ईश्वरस्यापि हिरण्यगर्भस्य नियत प्रवृत्ति अन्यथानुपपत्त्या अधिष्ठाता परमेश्वरः संभाव्यते. So here Ishvara is called Hiranyagarbha. In this Ishvarasya api Hiranyagarbhasya. So Hiranyagarbha, who is Ishvara. Ishvara means the one who is controller, ruler. नियत प्रवृत्ति अन्यथानुपपत्त्या अधिष्ठाता परमेश्वरः संभाव्यते. Hiranyagarbhasya adhisthata, that Hiranyagarbha who is a ruler, he also has another ruler on top of him. Hiranyagarbha is called Ishvara and Ishvara is called Parameshwara. Parameshwara shabda is here. See, Parameshwara is in which vibhakti? Prathama. Ishvara is in Shashti. So, Ishvarasya adhisthata Parameshwara. In that way you have to do Anvaya. Ishvarasya adhisthata Parameshwara. Who is Ishvara? Hiranyagarbha. So, Ishvara word for Hiranyagarbha is only in the sense of ruler, ordainer. Not Ishvara as in Samashti, Sthula, Sukshma, Karana, Sharira, Upahita, Chaitanya. Not that way Ishvara. As the ruler, ordainer. And Parameshwara is the real Sthula, Sukshma, Karana, Prapancha, Avachinna, Chaitanya or Upahita Chaitanya. Now what is this Niyata Pravritti Anyatha Anupapatti? Anyatha Anupapatti means Arthapatti Pramana. Anyatha Anupapatti means Arthapatti. What is that? That without a ruler, without Ishvara, Niyata Pravritti is not possible. Right? So, Niyata Pravritti Anyatha Anupapatya, whose Niyata Pravritti? Hiranyagarbha. Even Hiranyagarbha does things because he has somebody sitting on top of him. So, Hiranyagarbhasya Niyata Pravritti Anyatha Anupapatya, he is Adhisthata Parameshwaraha Sambhavyate. This line is clear to everybody? Because if you don't accept Parameshwara, then Hiranyagarbhasya Niyata Pravritti cannot be established. So, Hiranyagarbha does whatever he is supposed to do regularly. Means Brahma, if you think, Brahma's arrival time is fixed. Brahma's day time is fixed. How long will be each day? Brahma's duty is fixed. Brahma's departure is fixed. Brahma's location is fixed. Everything is fixed. By whom? That is Parameshwara. Why it doesn't matter. Actually, it cannot be Shuddha because if he has to do some role, then it is always Saguna Brahma. Sambhavyate iti uktam idanim matarishva grahanam upalakshanartham adaya tatparyam aha. And therefore, now idanim matarishva grahanam upalakshanartham. This matarishva lakshana is for upalakshana. Upalakshanartham pradhana malla nibarhana nyayena. It means the tippani on that lakshana artham. What does the tippani say? Pradhana malla nibarhana nyaya. What is pradhana malla nibarhana nyaya?
To take the strongest opponent.
So if pradhana malla, pradhana means the one who is foremost. Malla means wrestler. Right? So Hiranyagarbha is the topmost wrestler among all devatas. If Parameshwara controls even Hiranyagarbha and gives him his assignments, right? And Hiranyagarbha gives assignments to others. So then what to talk of? All the others having fear of Bhagavan, Parameshwara, because if they all have fear of Hiranyagarbha also. So Pradhana Malla itself is under the control of Bhagavan. So then everybody is, right? That's the meaning. Pradhana Malla Nivarhana Nyayena. What is the meaning? Arthamadaya Tatparyamaha Sarvahi Karya Karanadi Vikriya Nitya Chaitanya Atmaswarupe Sarvaspada Bhute Sati Eva Bhavanti Ityartha. And therefore, all Karya Karanadi Vikriya, see, Parameshwar means Saguna Brahma only. Okay? So, if when Saguna Brahma is there, means Chaitanya is there. Without Chaitanya, there is no Saguna Brahma. So, all Karya Karana Vikriya, all activities in any Sanghata is there only because of Nitya Chaitanya Atma Swarupa. So, what should be my role? How often my attention can go on this Nitya Chaitanya? How often I remember I am Nitya Chaitanya? How often I remember I am not Pancha Koshatmaka? This is Mukhya Sadhana. If I forget that, all my notes and whatever I have done, Kanthastha and collection of books and everything, is that it has not given me my full result. So we constantly have to be alert about our Chaitanya Swarupa. This is what they say difference between the Brahmakara Vritti and Charama Brahmakara Vritti. That I have understood I am Brahma. I think of it now and then. But my Viparita Bhavna has not gone for good. I am still on the edge. On the edge means anytime I can flip on this side instead of that side, Sarvaspada Bhute. Sarvaspada Bhuta means that which is the ashraya of all. With this, fourth mantra is complete. Now, fifth mantra. Sitting on fence. This sitting on fence is not that. This is standing on fence. In other words, that even though I want to cross the fence, but that fence is more like a pratibandha for me. I am not able to jump over it. Then when pratibandha nivritti takes place, then charama brahmakar vritti will be there. Then thereafter, Jagat is mithya, that mithya Jagat cannot do anything to me. And my moksha purushartha is siddha. It is not, if this happens, that happens. There is no if and but, etc. Fifth mantra, let us chant. Tadejati tannaijati taddure tadvantike tadantarasya sarvasya तदु सर्वस्यास्य बाह्यतः
तदेजति तन्नैजति तद्दूरे तद्वन्तिके तदन्तरस्य सर्वस्य तदु सर्वस्यास्य बाह्यतः
Tad ejati. So now that Atma Tattva itself, what is it? Ejati. It has kampanam. Ejri kampane. Kampanam is there. Tanna ejati. It does not have kampanam, chalanam. There is no movement. So it moves, it doesn't move. It is dure. Tad dure. It is far. Tad u antike. Oh, but it is actually very close. Tad antarasya sarvasya. It is inside all. Tadu sarvasya asya bahyataha. And it is outside of all. So it is inside and outside at the same time, like akasha. It is very sukshma. At the same time it is vyapaka, pervading. So sukshmatvat antaha, vyapakatvat bahyaha. This we can understand. How do you say ejati, na ejati? It moves, it doesn't move. So we already saw the answer in the previous one. What was the answer?
Upadhi.
With upadhi, you say it has movement. Without upadhi, means by itself, na ejati. This is the answer. So you can explain the seeming contradictions with upadhi. And what about it is dura and antike? So that Bhashyakar says, for ajnani it is dura. For jnani it is closest because it is me, myself. So they don't, jnani doesn't see some Brahma is there, I have to attain. I am Brahma. And Brahmatva is known for Jnani. So it is Antike, within. And for Ajnani, it is Dura. Because Ajnani has ideas. One day I will know I am Brahma. Then that day I will invite lot of people for Bhandara. Then whatever kalpana they do. Okay. Na mantranam jamita asti. Purva mantroktam api artham punaha aha. Mantras don't have jamita. Jamita means? Jamita you see in Anand Giriji. Alasyam. Jamita means alasya. The mantras don't get tired of repetition. Means this Brahma Tattva is revealed in all Upanishads, right? So many mantras are there everywhere. All talking about Atma Tattva. So how many mantras will be there talking about Atma? They don't get tired. And you also as a student should not get tired. How many times I have to study Ishavasya? At least one time you study properly and try to remember. Then other Upanishads also like that. So mantranam na jam. This is a famous vakya. Na man means if any time if somebody says na mantranam jamita asti, where is it given? Ishavasya Upanishad, 6th mantra, 5th mantra, like that. Immediately it should strike. Because this is a unique vakya. Such vakya Bhashyakar has not used anywhere else. So na mantranam jamita asti. And this word also. What is the difference between jamita and jamata? Jamata means son-in-law. So it's a very different shabd. Huh? In Sanskrit, you can get confused between Jamita and Jamata. Jamata dashamo graha. You heard. Jamata is considered as dashamo graha. Navagrahas are already there. You have to keep the grahas happy. Dashama graha also you have to keep happy. Because if he is not happy, then daughter will come back home. That's why that sentence is there. So Purvokta, same meaning of Atma Tattva is given in this mantra also. Tad Atma Tattvam yat prakritam tadejati chalati tadevacha naijati swato naiva chalati. This Atma Tattvam yat prakritam Atma Tattvam ejati means chalati. Tadevacha na ejati. Swato na eva chalati. By itself it doesn't have chalanam. Swato achalam eva sat chalati eva ityartha. By itself it is achala as if there is chalanam. Chalati eva ityartha. Kincha tad dure. Kincha means moreover. Kincha means moreover. Tad dure. In Hindi और भी सुनो क्या तद दूरे वर्षकोटि शतैः अपि अविदुषाम अप्राप्यत्वात् दूर इव. Avidusham, for Ajnani, after crores of years also, they will not get it. He says, Varsha koti shataihi api avidusham aprapyatva. Means what? If a person does not get knowledge, no matter what he does for 1 crore years, he will not get it. Not that I am Ajnani right now, I am gaining knowledge, still I have to wait for 1 crore years. Not like that. If I don't take Jnanam as my Mukhya Sadhanam, I can go on doing so many other things, then even after 1 crore years, not 100 crore years, Varsha Koti Shataihi api, still I will not get. In other words, Jnanam only will give you right away. Jnanam will give you moksha right away. For Jnani, it is close. Any other things you do, karma, upasana or other sadhana, without Jnanam, as if it is crores of years away from you. Taduvantike iti chedaha. Taduvantike means tad-u-antike. This is the padacheda. You see, padacheda padarthokti. Tikakar has to do padacheda also. The Tippani number, it shows 9, but it is 1. Huh? It is 1. Tad-u. U is 1. Huh? Maybe it is not very clear. Antike iti chedaha. एकाज निपात निपात एकाज इत्यादि प्रगृह्य प्रकृति भाव बोधेन अबाधेन मय उयो वोवा इति वत्वं दर्शयितुं पदानि छिनत्ति तदिति. We saw this sutra recently. Maya uyo vova. Those who are in Laghu class. Tadvantike अत्यंतम एव विदुषाम आत्मतत्वात् न केवलम दूरे अंतिके च. For Ajnani it is dura, but for Vidusham it is their Atma-tattva. Therefore, Antike means Atyantam Samipa, closest. So it is not only dura, Antike cha. तदंतर सो तदंतरस्य सर्वस्य तदु अस्या सर्वास्य बाह्यतः. This line we will see later in the next, whenever we have class, not tomorrow. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.